And what about summer vacations? How many days of summer vacations do you have?
I don't know how many holidays I have, but I don't, Diwali is around the corner, so we are not going to school. Tomorrow
Hmm,
is Monday.
I know. Then happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And which is your favorite festival?
Festival. I like Diwali, Holi.
And why do you like these two? And why not others?
I like Diwali because it's a festival of light, and Holi because it's a festival of color. We
Hello.
like playing with color and putting on our face.
Right. So, do you fight with your sisters, with your siblings during Holi, with colors and everything?
Not only when we fight, we fight every day.
You fight every day? Okay, that's great. That's great.
See,
Who
I
is
need
the?
this.
Hmm. Sorry?
If I have taken something of her or
Hmm.
myself, or I've taken a hair belt which is very beautiful, she will say, "I need this."
Oh,
We start fighting.
okay. So your younger sisters are bossy, right? They want everything you have.
Yes,
Yeah, and that's the reason that makes you angry and you fight, right?
yes, ma'am. Do you fight with your elder sister?
Ah, yes, we used to fight a lot. Now we don't as much, right? Because we are far away and we just cannot meet each other quite often these days. But yes, we used to fight a lot when we were younger. Yes, right. And what about just a second? And what about your native place? Is your native place in Mumbai itself, your homeland? Your okay? How many members are you in your family?
There are 6 members in my family, 3 sisters and me, my mother, father.
Okay. And do you have any grand parents, grandmother, grandfather?
Yes, but they are in village right now.
Yes. What? Which? Do you know the name of the village?
Uh, 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 hmm.
No. Okay.
Um,
That's okay. But is it in Mumbai itself or is it outside of Mumbai? Do you know this?
uh, I think outside of
Okay. Okay. No worries. No worries. Okay. Fine. And since you said you just love winters more, right? So, if I had to ask you about rainy season, do you hate rainy season or do you love rainy season?
no, ma'am. I don't like rainy season. It always rains, and I can't go outside to play with my sisters.
Right, right. So, do you go to school even during the rainy season?
Yes, I take umbrella. Ma'am, do you like rainy season?
No, even I hate it. I like it only when I'm at home, right? It is cloudy and it rains, so I can see it from the outside, from the inside, right? So I love it. If I have to go outside, I'll hate it. Right? There's water everywhere. I don't like it.
Because my
Right?
sisters are at home, so I and my sister play at home.
Mm, right. So you were at home like for 2 years, from the time of COVID, right? If you remember. Right. So, did you like going? Do you like going to the school or do you like your classes online from home? Which one do you like more?
Going school
And why is it?
is it online? We ca- I can't talk to my friends. Teacher is there,
Hmm.
and
Online, you can't talk to your friends. Hmm.
offline when I'm in school, I can talk. While teacher is writing, we talk to each other.